you're still here, you might be in the fight of your life. Do you feel like perhaps you're in the fight of your life? We have on the floor at the door, and what might that be? Ooh, we've got the glass jaw. This is about emotions, your mental and physical health. This is your weak spot. This is a glass jaw. It's about your weak spot. We're going to talk about your weak spot right now. And this is something that you're in a fight about, okay? There's something about your weak spot that you're ready to talk about and share. This is like a groundbreaking idea for you that's going to change your life. And that's why we're saying that it's a fight of your life, because this is a change that's much needed, that you need to do. This is going to be one of the main events in your life. I'm thinking it's a creative project of some sort. It's something you feel very passionate and emotional about. And you're doing everything from a different angle than others would go. You're different. And that's what makes you authentic. And that's what's going to make you shine at this time. You are divinely protected as you're about to share this story, this creative project, these new music lyrics. There's just something very special about this project that you're working on, that you are sensitive about it, because it's deep. It means a lot to you. This is going to be a really big event in your life. You're doing everything differently, pushing differently, while you're divinely protected. You've been beating yourself up for a really long time, trying to talk yourself out of this because you're a little bit scared, but that's okay, because you need to fight the fear and push forward. And this is going to help you recover everything that you've ever lost, whether you feel like you've lost your mind, whether you've lost your money. There's some things that you need to recover in life, and this is going to help you recover it. You may have been pushed to be small and to keep your ideas small throughout your life, but this is big. This is you pushing forward, taking action. This is going to recover a lot in your life, okay? This is going to recover your self-esteem and everything, because it's going to win. If you're looking for a sign about taking action and moving forward with a special project that's going to do all of this for you, this is your sign. This is why I crossed your FYP today. And that is your message of the day. I love you. Keep going, and don't ever give up, especially on yourself.